How to share your files using Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today, let's see how we can give access to other people or to our files in Google Drive. First, open your Google Drive and make sure to log into your account. Now, find the file or the folder that you want to share with other people. And then, beside that, there will be three horizontal dots. Tap on it, and there you can find the option to share. You would have two options to share to other people. For the first one, directly add the email address to of the people you want to share and just hit send button from the top and your access will be updated. For the next one, tap on the share button again and there you can manage access from the bottom. Tap on not shared and change the restricted to anyone with the link. Tap on restricted again and tap on anyone with the link. And then from the top, copy the link of the drive and then share with whatever other app you would like. And the files from your drive will be shared. And that's it. That is how you can share your files from your Google Drive. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.